Hey everyone, welcome to my video. Today in this video we will be working with this part, and let's open a new part in SolidWorks and step by step build it together. On front plane, first we create a sketch and then we place here one rectangle. Then we select two lines, we make them equal. If you right click and select chain, all select line is selected and you convert to construction geometry. Now here we add one more line and let's give a dimension. After this, we create here one arc. Control is pressed, 3 object is selected, and we say symmetric. Control again pressed, 2 objects selected, and we say coincidence. Here I would like to give a dimension of 150. Here a 4mm high. Half is 4. Yes. To be able to give that, you need to activate press the shift. So on the right plane, we are going to create the same thing. A rectangle, right click, select chain. Control is pressed, I select 3 object, everything equal. And then here we have a center line. We can convert it and we are going to place one arc. This 3 object is symmetric. This is coincident. And let's press again Control. We cannot give here equal to arc seams. Here 150. Now we press shift and we give here a 4mm high dimension. Sweep surface, this and this. One is pad, one is profile. Doesn't matter which you select. Right plane is selected. Mirror is active. Knit surfaces will remove the connection and combine to one geometry. If you unclick it, you will see the impact immediately. We have 2 surfaces here, which is fine, but it's good to go under control. Right plane is selected and origin selected while Control is pressed, and then we can create one axis here. We repeat the same thing for the front plane and origin selected, and axis. Let's do again, front and origin. Yes. We select now circular pattern. This is axis 1. This is our body, and we copy 4 times. This selected. We go to bodies, and it will copy of 4, but we have here one more. If you come to instance skip, you will be able to remove that instances. Now we have 6 surface bodies. Now we are going to make trim. We select all of them. We say here keep selections. This will be the body that we would like to keep, and the rest will go. Here you can select create solid, and then we have a solid body as you see on the screen. Now we continue. We click top plane, we go to reference geometry, and this 2 point. We created normal to this plane, a plane between these 2 points. So plane is selected, split line is selected, and then we created here one surface break, and we come to sweep cut, circular profile selected, and then this will be our line, and a line with end faces is removed, but then maybe it will left some areas which I do not like, we can make delete and patch. It will be alright. So after this operation, in fact, we are going to make a mirror of this thing. Let's see, mirror is working or not. Yes, mirror is working. Let's select the faces. Maybe it is better. Geometry pattern. Oh, I will do something different, guys. We come here, split line is selected. I created a sketch and convert and a bit extended. So we get rid of all this unnecessary operations. Here, sort of edge, line will be selected, and then we are good to go. Yes. Cut sweep is selected. Mirror, mirror in this axis. Yes. Now again we are going to make revolves. Circular pattern. Features are these two, and this is the axis. And now we are going to copy in this direction. Circular pattern. Features are those guys. Instances skip because here we have already. And after this operation, we are going to give our radiuses. And then maybe it's good to keep half, but let's try. Radius 7. In all selected edges. It works fine, but what I forget here to give radiuses as well. 7. We are going to give here radiuses. Yes. Each item selected. Yes, is good. And I activate my fillet again. Those guys also quite completed. And what we can do now, we can get rid of the half. We can select the top plane and surface, cut with surface. So quite a lot thing is having radius, and I can complete other operations as well. Let's try to give here radius value. Now this is quite big. This will not work. And I will copy this operations to the other side. Here our face is here and body is here. So the operation copied here, only we are going to complete this side. 7 is selected. Yes. And I select here an unnecessary edge seams. Yes. And this one. Quite a lot done. And the last operation, just giving little fillets. So let's make it 1. And it will be enough to select only surfaces. Quite a lot of repeating operation. There is nothing difficult about it. Let me complete this one as well. Maybe we can convert to partial geometry. Then at least we can understand which surfaces we are missing. Everything is done. Good. yeah, it is completed. This was all, and we can change the display state, and then it starts to look like nicer. If you like my video, please hit the like button and make a comment. Thanks for watching. See you in another video.